In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to sell Squarespace templates online to generate income. The first thing you must do is focus on creating high-quality templates. Make sure your designs are not only professional, but also responsive. You should also consider designing for specific niches to distinguish your templates from others available on the market. Next, you should provide clear instructions for each of your templates. This could include detailed setup guides or tutorials that would assist your customers in personalizing the template to their liking. A comprehensive guide should offer customers a seamless user experience, increasing the likelihood of them returning in the future or recommending your templates to others. When it comes to pricing and licensing, you should establish a structure that works for both your business model and your customers. This could be single-use licenses, extended licenses, or even bundle deals. The selling price for your templates could range anywhere from $50 up to over $300, depending on the quality and uniqueness of your designs. An important aspect of selling your Squarespace templates is demonstrating how they work. To do this, consider creating a demo website URL that showcases your template's unique features and adaptability. A visually appealing, functional demo can be compelling and increase your chances of making a sale. Next, you'll want to decide on the platform you want to use to sell your templates. Listing them on established digital product marketplaces, like Creative Market or Etsy, could be a great option. However, if you want more control over your pricing and sales, consider building your own online store. Platforms like Gumroad, or even Squarespace itself with its e-commerce features, are fantastic for this. Setting up delivery is another critical step. For Squarespace templates, this usually involves duplicating the site and transferring ownership to the customer within 24 to 72 hours of purchase. To ensure maximum visibility for your products, you should use multiple social media platforms. Promote your templates on Pinterest and Instagram by sharing eye-catching images linked to your online shop. Creating additional content is also a great way to promote your templates. Think about launching a blog with posts related to your work, or even creating tutorials. Doing this not only attracts potential buyers, but also helps establish your credibility as a design expert. Lastly, consider building an email list. One effective way to do this is by offering a free gift in exchange for an email address. A mini template or design guide would be perfect for this. This strategy gives you a direct line of communication with potential customers, boosting chances for repeat sales. With these steps, you're now well prepared to start your online business selling Squarespace templates successfully.